what's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer, the owner of ExploringLasVegas.com. I'm standing here today, guys, in front of Zouk Nightclub. I'm inside the Aria Hotel, and Zouk is one of the Tao Group venues. And this place opened, I don't know, maybe 7 years ago, and it's a great club. I mean, I'll tell you, this club in any other city in the country would be the best club in town for sure. Put it in like a Chicago or a Denver or Dallas, and this place would be awesome. Now, in Vegas, unfortunately, you're competing with XS, the new Live, Omnia, Hakkasan, and clubs like Marquee, etc. So this place is, it does good, but they don't really bring in the big talent anymore, especially on the weekends. You're going to find mostly like an open format party, which is going to be, DJs basically spinning hip hop, top 40, a little bit of EDM, and then they do a Monday party here that's really good. It's called their Flawless Monday Parties, and it's actually really rocking. Okay, that's the only place to go on Monday nights, and all the industry people go there. The tourists that are in town go there, and it's a good party. Okay, so they're Monday nights. Every once in a while they'll bring a big DJ in or something, and like a Little John or a Pauly D, and kind of pack the house and give everyone a nice show. But for the most part, you're going to find this place is kind of like a, for lack of a better word, like a B-list club. Okay, it's not like your big hitters like your David Guettas or your Tiestos aren't going to be here, but it's still a good club. Okay, if you like hip-hop music and you want a nice alternative to say like a Dre's or like an On the Record, this is a good spot. All right, they are going to be open Fridays, Saturdays, and Mondays. Generally, that's about it. Maybe open on a holiday weekend, an extra night, but that's rare. All right, let's talk about how you get in this place. Okay, you got a guest list, and then you also have tickets. You can buy those on my link below. And then, of course, I deal with the bottle service. That's mainly what I deal with. So let's talk about your different options for the bottle service. Inside, you're going to find the stage table, which is to the right and left of the DJ. There's, I think, 4 stages up there. Those are probably your best tables. Okay, a lot of people like to be up top. Right next to the DJ stage is pretty cool. Now, there are some tables around the dance floor. Those are going to be called your dance floor tables. And the one in the center is going to be your owner's table. Now, they used to have 3 tables basically dead center. They got rid of one of them, so now they made like a giant owner's table. I've had it a couple times. It's really good. That's right in the center, looking at the DJ. That's going to be your best table, arguably in the club, unless you want to be up on the stage. Now behind that, there's going to be your second row tables, and those are good, pretty big as well, good for 10 to 12 people. Those are going to be basically around the big U, right behind the dance floor tables. Okay, and then behind that, you're going to find your third row tables, and the third row tables are pretty solid. Now the ones, if you're looking at the DJ on the right, there's not a lot of traffic up there. That's going to be better for groups of that are more like self-contained. And then the ones that are in the middle have traffic behind there by the bar. So those are the more popular third rows. Sometimes you got to tip to get one of those. So if your budget's a third row table and you want to be in the action, you're going to want to be in the ones in the center by the bar. And then there's going to be some on the left that are pretty good as well, kind of in the action. But there are fourth row tables on the left, if you're looking at the DJ on the left, behind those third row tables. So you're kind of sandwiched in between the dance floor, the second row, and then the fourth row tables are the third row tables. All right, and then there's a couple fourth row tables in the back corner, and then there's a couple in the back corner up by the DJ as well. Those are all right, and generally on not that busy nights, they're only going to seat the main floor, and if your budget's say like $750 or $1K, you'll get one of those fourth row tables, and they're not bad. Now on busier nights, they're going to seat the upstairs. The upstairs is going to have some large balcony tables that are along the glass, kind of overlooking the DJ, and then there's also going to be some small balcony tables behind there. Okay, there's some small balcony tables on the one side. If you're looking at the DJ on the left, kind of like your second tier balcony, if you will. Those are generally pretty low minimums and reasonably priced, along with the the large balcony tables. Those are pretty reasonably priced as well. Now there are some badass skyboxes, for lack of a better word, in this place. Probably the coolest skyboxes in all the city for sure. You got the different themes. There's one called the Prestige. There's called the Goat. There's different names for them. I don't know all the names right off the top of my head, but they're all themed out and they're huge. They're to the right and the left upstairs. And if you got a big group like a corporate party, you want to do like 25, 30 people up there, those skyboxes are great for that. So some of the best skyboxes in the city. So make sure you hit me up if you're interested in one of those. So that's it. Those are your options at Zouk Nightclub. It's it's a big kind of rectangle club, 2 stories. They don't always have the upstairs open. It's a great light show. They got a nice LED system in there. One time I was in here and the LED system was broken, but they still did the party. It was just like one laser light going on for the whole night. It was kind of funny, but we still had a good time. It was a pretty funny night. But anyway, if you want to book a package with this place, we do have some bottle packages these days, and we do all the night, all the men's shows, strip clubs, limos, dinners, etc. Whatever you guys want, we can make it happen. I'm going to put my cell phone above, 773-459-8133. That's my cell. Make sure you hit me up with any questions, or if you're interested in booking a table here at Zouk. And if you like my content, I would appreciate a like on the video. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more, and bang the notifications bell. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, signing out here from the Aria for the Zouk Nightclub. I'm looking forward to working with you out here in Las Vegas. Let's talk soon. Bye.